should you, my dear, so? Which of minister matrase? Which of minister matrase, uncle? Which of uncle, minister matrase? Which of uncle? Which of uncle, minister matrase? Minister matrase, Bishop. Minister matrase, whatever was a mama myself. Minister matrase, minister matrase, minister matrase, young go warrior. Minister matrase. Minister matrase, Bishop. Minister matrase. I'm Minister matrase.
Bishop way. Not you.
There are some friends immediately will tell them, say, "Many problem." I feel friend on February. Said the next thing you are going to talk about is money.
Money.
Ye boy me abra me tiase.
Ah.
And mami ngu no be bonsa.
Debbie. Cash. Cash.
Wow. Bishop and you made the wama asamat. But sebe to me as studio dia. Yene yenuaba Messi Sedu. Enkasana yenjin semyenu binfino. Ni Mr. Messi. Bichia yet to say a boy no yampana. Why you hear me ma kwaba?
Meju so nana.
Mama na what to say?
Adumunti nyame du su hire twaye.
Yo, and you made them a fair one, your bonnet, ye dear and commodada. Then you made TV so dear. I am somewhere yet to social media. Ne course I buy a phone on the Abisa say. I am passed the yet and no crana.
Nana. Tanya wote no saa na me so mete no. Me mfa mani huni. Nanso so no tanya ensamu etiko no. Ya wasati so. Na me wo hwa na boy baako e de phone ba say. Ma Messi. Present be a friend me say you say Bishop Petrim. Na me miss down. Ana so na me a wo bisa me share kura say a. We are there with me. It's young got the right channel. It's me and I'm a man of prayer. A nearby a winning. Say, ye be sano. Now, me and money. Ya also a winning a woman. That's a Satan in issue. A real poor. A Kenya, ma say near you know, a papa and an empata. Let's just confirm say, I no correct. See me a bear, my bishop. Why in your media? And you know, sir, what say ya? Send him a say no. Any send him be time, no. I no correct.
No, baby, say, why are you chair? Said the editor, no.
Oh, bishop, me say ne yare. Nancy, so you need to know what tono. Am I in so what then you may say? I ain't na ya dia se da manya me. Ye ni sa ne ho atono me na nwe say bishop obetimi ajaye mu sa adwen because me ni sa ne ho atono. Sa na me say no.
Wow, I know you did me pese beto aso pi na because baby asem no akodu na say are work as ya pa na to enyumre.
Nya asem to akra.
Me do be sia.
Matemeda.
Na ma ye nyina ye hyeden. Masre busia se ye nyina ye ma yakoma nto ye na onyankopon de ope na woye. Se de okasa de nyina mu ne mfa na asema no. Nti enyumre no ye be hye ho den. Yo Ghana for ene na asem a wohene yire e ka no me ntimi frɛ obi because me kwa bet na fide ya so na course no eba is the say na sie dia ne na ne asem ato ba yen hye ho so na yen hye den bishop onyame on fa ukransie You
Easy. Easy.
all right. Tina, Nana. And you may share the effect of COVID-19. Inti Budo Akabi.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Mr. Mate! Mr. Mate! Ajabude! Ah! Ah! Erasmenio! 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 Aradibuayo! 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 Fantasm Nanimreyo! Fantasm Nanimreyo! Mijriway! Metamene yada! Was it get you? And I had Mamma for more, and I had Nina, Ubo, yeah. Don't open your. Don't open your. No back at a babam. No back in a bedina. Jimmy, yes, Jimmy, Scanning your Jemo. Anybody day. Ah! Sesame boy. Yeah, Gana stars negro. Yeah, Gana stars negro. Ah, Bravo. Anajima kami asemo. Baladi. Yeah. Data wani aje. One person by Bridge. Ah, I rather not die. Yeah.
Bishop Benanyako say, or no one cousin or like friend or in better fee. It me say now say on in my mental me fear what him just say this man has been through a lot. And Yankupon through movies. A pager man we say Bishop, how many years have you been in the industry? How many years? Obia rezi issue be say juju ewo industry ni mu. Yeah. Only Jimmy Fo na beka say bibi anywhere as bibi wo wi ase pa bibi. E wo wi ase pa say ntoa beka say bibi ni wi ase. I don't know. Me ntimi mfa nka say anase say. Ne bibi wo hodada na yare dada, but we can't say bi obi na atu na do anase say, but we know say apart from movie industry ni dey gwala o se de ewo baabi a gwala o yeso obi atu obi edro baabi a mi anka se mi nua China ayi for cinemisa sometimes bi omo corset so na obi de edro ekotu obi kwan ano obi de edro kotu obi kwan ano no na obi fufuro ko kache director no set ni say mimi nua China for cinemisa obi afre ni China no na di edro no akwakoto oso oyi na no ba bia enyeyi yes ono na di edro na akoto wan kasa na o free set no so the following day na we free set so ni ho no na obi asa di edro na sakoto ni pakro no because on so omo kwa ye cheche omo dan no ema obi ankasa dan ye de ma no na obi e de edro sakoto ekwan na no na director ne friend was enra na mo se China na de edro beto ene so China ni ha China wo kofie ntie na so edro we so da obi kwan no na se ho anso na de beto China be mana. Enti adru to de ewo baby a but adwuma enipa eni kire wo so de also hu se more what tax na more me to me da na mada o me so no me so obamofo bi na bom ho ba ma me so abodam obamofo be na ebom ho ba obambofo na me nim nyum ne to me se me da na mada obamofo na bom ho ba na ma me se enye se obambofo bi na eboye ho ban ti azo no be sorry abet na obey live na wo be hwe na anya bia wutie ne kwase asem cry stupid one just 2 minutes 3 minutes also who said that person's life is on the line because nipa no bet na we bia na adwum clear woni hwe o kasa keke but obi timi tena se kasa me ni asmeti we me working tia no me nye bibi se ntia no yeah common life ni bloggers no hwan no how much more obi a oye movie a project Ghana edu this level dey kwa animu how much more. And his son, because Bishop was big, he was great. Bishop became the biggest. Bishop, Obeye so big. Just say all of a sudden, man, we buy a movie. I don't think say or movie industry. Before you know, this man was everywhere. And a robe bia or the bemani bia. Bishop would do it. Robe bia. Baby, and want to for Bishop. Obe kill no. So yenti mean dispute the fact say attacks the na de bi beba ne so. But we can be sure say bia obi nipa bonifo bi na eden e said that e de na yi bibi edro to na say no ankasa yare ne yare na busa ho say be ma tenten gram mun say emu ayo emu aya busa ho say be ma tenten gram mun say die ben dear ben yare wo ne accident de kuni pass one time enya was yare mu yare but ben mati bishop any bishop yare ben timia bishop timia di bishop man kakra say bishop ene bishop say wu bishop wu there will be no more bishop. We have lost a lot of great people. But some people have served their term. Some people have served their term, but Susie Williams, now Terry Bonchaka, now Kwame Owusu answer. These people were people are like we should think back say right now Nkomo has say where would we be? What you say nka omu na Terry Bonchaka fine say Kwame Owusu answer ne yeah omu nya wa say ya anka how na nka industry ni be but we keep on losing them. Penifo no mo ho no so we are not protecting them. Penifo no mo ho no they be another documentary upon documentary na metimi no apartments a drama gani we make when we were kids we really thought say na mama magani no ebeifu because she really played her role. Grace Notte was the best. I said a drama genuma Grace Notte be here. That time it wasn't cool, but it was professionalized witchcraft. Grace Notte, but I don't say Grace Notte way. But she hasn't served her time. Grace Notte betting still be in the industry, but I say you see nipa ni ye journey pemu. Ye use nipa. Ye industry we use people. Ye use nipa ni ye den ye jawo mu. Ye use nipa ni ade discard nipa. Ene we na was so acha we na was nti wo hu se funny face and whoever funny face Lil Wayne Calibos and mo hu awon mo Jimmy beef kwasi ya beef no mempese meti mo de me man say me nye interested wo mo kwasi asem no so part you guys should fucking sit down mo ntena se na mo ndwene enra ya ene ya benenya ko he's no more ko ti mo be ko so adi nkwase asem on social media no so a it's up to you se si edenya ne ye nanka sorry to say Louis mom na ewu a ke beka se funny face da ku no ye danya ne nka hu se funny face ewu a sabi ke beka se Louis na aku ni ye nya ne nanka enti se we na ewu a you don't know tomorrow. Enti agrobu wo ha mudi amunhwe ye papa you don't know tomorrow. Adwuma na amumu wom na amumu fa ne tira amu fa no ayi saa no. Munhwe bibi ye papa no. you have issues, and there are a lot of ways to solve issues. There are a lot of ways. But at the end of the day, no, it will take death and send a baby money. They say move back who are no money so. Funny face. I don't think say what one year but a china but catch say Lewin a woo funny face when he budget. Ain't to me possible that. Ain't even possible that there's no way so I will win so see catch say funny face and won't so when he budget that. Ain't possible because you see you cry you see you rather to open a water for him. So everybody who also who pay haters. Also poor more or more no mu bu ani because without them we sure and can show the benam ko bi show. But those are the people I won't show. I will catch you be say ah no bi ada no shuka kuma bi pa na ehye no. Nipa ne say sa et saying obedi sku abache me nipa kas say shu no kwa de na abasu o hye no kura fatam. Onim so okwa akoseo. But me ankopon apejam. Enti de be na moje funny face le wen wan e de be na moje mu de bishop nya ko ewu mu insist mu kwase afaya no for this week and I say this month to say mu insist this kwase afaya no ni bre we aba number ye kwase asem wo social media ni mu bewu ye ni mu ebewu ye ka kire mu happy daki ye ka kire mu anya jimi na you funny face no ene wo lay we no ne wo calibus no wo calibus no mo anya mu jimi na juma ebe di mo no this week or say this month mun judge me no ceasefire ehun hia and this one did this the who funny face me for be ma we can think woni oba to ne na oba wo ntafo obi na be ka che oba ni se wonya wo ho obi na be ka che oba ni se wonya wo ho lewin to oyehuro lewin oyehuro. All of you are comedians, but you can't stand comedy. You can't stand humor. And at the beyond me, we see. We are tired. We say, I just say, Muba who and some when you say, sometimes I see people on the net, maybe a bloggers here that they are tearing each other apart. Let me join, me share Musam say. And see one of you, any wapa, muni bejiana. One of you people can you can have a healthy argument but you don't go all out as if say you are in to kill the person. I say nipa we die metano all in the name of social media. Kofi bebre we pick fight with them and in social media you don't know them. Nipa no do ni TV na so do mu TV na what that you don't know that person. So you don't go all in and out. As you say, nipa we die wa can say me chimti. That's why a lot of people say shit on my page. And from me because any social media and patrol. Ama metena sia. Aka be den wo hu me. Ka wo hu me. Ma metena say e from any man ba. Ka wo ni me. So social media. Obi do atam ho na betwe dim. So let it go. Let it go because echinada nipa na odidi watem the see obi obetro page so say oh you are stupid, you are foolish no. That nipa no kra no say who grants it to now ti so nipa no kra say enre ya wawu a enya wo there because that person is a fan. Wamba u page so anko him betro foolish. Wamba u page so anko him beka ayi you are stupid. At least one click you video so amonya one viewer. Anka won timi ntie on kwasa say man catch say you are stupid. Ntie dey ni bebrebe hi fa na mode ko. Bebrebe na ya den social media. Bebrebe before social media ma ni etie baby. Ntie bebrebe na ya den. Na ya den. Ya den ni bebrebe. Emu ayo.